Escala is Lettingham McAllister's premier property in Burnaby, recently completed in June 2019. It is a 42-story stylish tower with 2 mid-rises. It's our favorite property. We've worked very hard on all details and workmanship to make it the best property that anyone can build. Escala offers 15,000 square feet of amenity space, including an indoor pool and spa with a hot tub, sauna and steam room, a fitness room and a yoga room. It also has a premium theater and 2 guest suites for when family come to visit.
Well, it seems as though this is the tallest building in Vancouver with the VRF technology in it. We wanted to maximize our efficiencies by utilizing less space than a traditional chiller system would. This would incorporate the lower real estate fees for ownership. In the end, lower maintenance costs throughout the building as well, which led to more efficiencies. The 360-foot capability of vertical piping in the building helped us separate the system in having a lot of the lower floors down in the parkade, and then the rest of the equipment is up here on the roof. This is a great advantage because we use a less footprint than your traditional chiller system and having less mechanical rooms as well.
Usually when you design a high-rise building, you have to do a very deep comprehensive analysis of the building and the structure of the building. So everything is going to be covered and all the codes are met. Beside of the BC building code, we need to meet the B52 refrigeration code that basically say how much refrigerant you can put in the HVAC system. The VRF system provided by LG. Also, the collaboration between us and the LG representative and the climate cool helped us a lot. And the installation was done by Williams Kelly, which they done a very good job.
The advantage of using the LG VRF Multi-V 575 condensers has a couple of advantages there. The first thing is that the capital cost of the developer. They can use smaller cables, which means the installation is less price, and they don't need the big transformers, which reduces the cost there. Also, the amount of space needed for mechanical appliances isn't needed neither, so they get that space back to sell out. A great advantage of the LG Multi-V heat recovery system is its capability to provide simultaneous heating and cooling. This means that each fan coil on that specific system can operate individually in heating or in cooling, regardless of what the rest of the system is providing. This allows the tenants or the occupants to have ultimate control of their environment in heating or in cooling.
Everything on an overall was excellent. LG's VRF experts were frequently on site over the course of the product installation, working with our trades, and that was very instrumental into the efficient success of that work. Ultimately, when things came along near the completion of the project, when we were commissioning the building, LG experts were again here from Korea and Toronto supporting us in the building commissioning, and that worked very well for us.
LG Electronics Canada has commissioned a range of solutions, from supplying large buildings with central HVAC solutions to installing the latest efficiency control technology. Contact us to find out how LG HVAC systems can provide a bespoke solution for you.